Yo, what's up? It's Fortunate here and welcome to Yeongdudong Jjukkumi Street. This is a very popular street among food lovers here in Seoul, South Korea, and the reason is for one thing. It is believed that they have the best jjukkumi on this street. So today I came out here to try it out, and so I'm on my way to the restaurant right now. Yeah, so I will see you in the restaurant. So the origin of this particular place started in 1980s when a Korean started a restaurant here where he or she serves Korean workers. This dish became very popular, and because of that he decided to focus more on that particular dish. So he started making more of jjukkumi, and as time goes on many restaurants joined him because of the success he had in the with that one dish, and all of them decided to make the same food with the same menu. Right now they have about probably I've seen close to more than 10 restaurants here right now, and all of them serve this jjukkumi, and all of them actually have jjukkumi on their restaurant name. So that tells you how popular this place is, known for jjukkumi sauce. Yeah, so today I came here to try it out, and man, it's amazing. The style of the restaurant is a typical Korean restaurant where you sit down on the floor. I have here, this is sesame leaf. I love this very much. One other thing I have here is some salad with some mayonnaise and glass noodle. I also have slices of onion. I have bean sprout, which is already in the whole sauce, and I also have rice curry sauce in here. It's a mixture of rice, curry. And one interesting thing I learned about this food is that it doesn't come with rice. Usually Korean food, all of them come with rice, but this one doesn't come with rice. So if you need rice, you have to buy. So I paid an extra 1,000 won to get the rice to go with the sauce. Another thing I have in the soup is I have pork, which is Korean rice cake. I also have mushroom. Yeah, apart from that, it's just a bunch of baby octopus. So there's not much aroma from this except from the gochujang, the spicy sauce. Hot. It is super spicy, so if you don't like spicy food, I highly recommend you stay away from this food. It is very spicy. Your mouth is going to burn. My mouth is burning right now, but I love spicy food, so it feels good even though my mouth is on fire, but it feels good. But there is something that can help you calm down the spices, which is the sesame leaf. So I'll grab some sesame leaf, I'll drop some pork in there, octopus, maybe one more octopus, some bean sprout, Yeah, and I'll take a little bit of rice also up there as well. And then I have to fold it up. And then oh, amazing. The flavor from the sesame leaf is so satisfying, man. I love it, man. So again, if spicy food is not your thing, I highly recommend you stay away from this food. It is super spicy, man. It's amazing. I love it. The octopus is very firm and meaty. I love it, and spicy as well. Man, my tongue is burning, it's on fire. Oh man, it is super spicy, guys. keep drinking water to help me cope with the spice, with a burning mouth. It's crazy. 잠시만요. 포장. 네. So I finally understand why they don't serve rice together with this unless you want more rice, because this is so filling, man. Since the minimum is 2 orders, after taking the first one and the second one, in the middle of the second one, I'm already full. I cannot take any more. So if I had not eaten the rice, I believe I could have finished 2 plates. So I think I understand that's why they don't serve rice together with it. So I've decided to take the rest, make the rest take away and take it home, and maybe probably tomorrow I'll continue. Oh, 맛있어.
뭐요? 맞습니다. 다음에 더 맵게 해달라면 높여달라고 하면 돼. 그나마 다른 집보다는 저희가 보통 매운맛. 다른 집은 더 매워.
이거 조금
또 가져가도 돼요. 다 가져가도 돼요.
잠시만요.
뜨거워서 뜰 것 같은데.